Toyota has earned a reputation for building reliable cars that last. There's been a million-mile Tundra and Highlander hybrid, but could your car be next? We're making it simple with the ultimate high-mileage car maintenance guide to help you hit 500,000 miles and beyond. Getting lots of mileage on any Toyota is easy as long as you stick to a consistent car maintenance schedule and adjust the service lights as they pop up on your dashboard. Starting with the basics in any car maintenance checklist, our Toyota techs recommend an oil and oil filter change every 5 to 10,000 miles, along with routine tire service and replacement as needed. When you're close to hitting 500,000 miles, make sure to get a coolant flush, replace your transmission fluid and filter, and check your exhaust system if you haven't already. You'll also want to keep an eye on your vehicle's undercarriage for rust, your brakes for any squeaking, your car battery and alternator, and other aspects like your suspension, steering, belts, hoses, seals, and fuel system. We know it's a lot, but there's multiple issues that can go wrong with high mileage cars. And if you ignore your high mileage car maintenance, you deal with problems like major breakdowns, risked safety, shorter car lifespan, and higher repair bills. If you put in the care, your car will be in good shape with better reliability and safety. Routine car maintenance also saves money in the long run by catching problems early and keeps resale value strong even after 500,000 miles. If you're ready to join the Toyota Million Mile Club, we've given you all the tips you need to achieve it. You've just got to start driving. And if you need maintenance for your high mileage car, come visit us at Toyota of Orlando and let our auto techs take care of your car.